Hey everybody, I just got home from England. I brought home a new drum created by an artist in Avebury on Beltane of last year. And I love that this drum came with a story. And I am going to bring it home to my space in California. I'm singing into my redwood trees, one of my two 60-foot redwood trees in my garden. And I'm also, this is a new drum. It has a little bit of a tinny tone. And so I want to use it and dance it. And I thought all of you could help me while I sing my new drum into my trees. This drum comes from an ancient place where stone meets sky, meets sea, meets land. Feel yourself slipping between the veils. Let yourself be brought into relationship with this drum's birthplace. Bring yourself back into your body. Bring yourself back into the here and the now. Feel the drum as your own heartbeat. Thank you for helping me bring my drum into full voice and sing to my redwoods. I'm singing to you. We'll let the redwoods dance us back into our body, and I will meet you again.